Hello everyone. I recently read an article about building a Meshtastic device with a Heltec V3 and off-the-shelf parts. Luckily, I found a compatible expansion package, the Wireless Mesh and GPS DIY Kit. With less than €20, you can add GPS and other features to the Heltec V3. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll study the tutorial images seriously. Yes, I think I can make this work, especially since I've already bought the parts. Then I download the 3D print files and start the print job. Now we have a perfect enclosure. What are we waiting for? Let's begin assembly right away. There were a few hiccups with some tedious details and heart-stopping soaring moments. The ground wire tangled a bit, some extensions turned out too short, and the tight fit made the assembly feel nerve-wracking. Still, I believe the process is the most enjoyable part, so I'm not giving up. If we're this far, let's give it a try. This is the end result I achieved. Press the button below to reboot. The device starts up. This is the main screen, and we can use the button above to switch selections. You can see the GPS feature here, which shows how far you are from others, but I'm filming indoors, so distance can't be displayed. Next, we'll test Meshtastic communication. Connect the device following the Heltec V3 method, then I'll use another device to send a message. It's received successfully, with buzzer and LED indicators. It's been a really fun experiment. I now have a self-assembled Meshtastic setup that adds worthwhile functionality to the Heltec V3, known for its budget-friendly price and built-in OLED display. If you're into DIY electronics, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you'd like to see next.